Okay, this is our top-of-the-line control panel, which is available on any of our treadmills. We call it the Executive Trainer Control Panel. It features state-of-the-art computer graphics and these high-color, high-graphic motivational displays. But a very important Landice hallmark is that over here, you always know, despite all of the technology, what your speed and elevation are in a separate dedicated display. So a Landice is a very simple treadmill to operate in that if you press stop or start, it starts. And if you change the speed or change the elevation, it changes the elevation. So it's very important at Landice that a treadmill is simple to use. And despite the immense capabilities of the treadmill, the basic operation is very simple. I'd now like to show you some of the computer graphics that really make this an exciting product. So this is our Executive Trainer Control Panel, and one of the motivational screens we call is the road screen. And here we have yourself represented digitally running along. And one of the things you can do is change the scenery. So this is our Grand Canyon scene. This is our Hawaiian beach run. This is our mountain winter run. We have a Pacific Island run and a cityscape run. And all your statistics across the bottom here display your time, speed, elevation, calories, all your statistics about running, and signposts actually come by and show also your progress as you're running. Another popular screen is the track, in which you run around a track and we keep track of your laps and your lap times, so you can do a 440 mile or a 400 meter run and keep track of your times around the track. This is called our vertical situation indicator. And one of the things it shows is how high you've climbed. Remember, a treadmill actually has elevation, and when we elevate the treadmill, okay, we can see that you're climbing at a rate of 2.4 feet per minute. You're currently at a height of 3 feet, and your person here will become higher against these different landmarks, which you can compare how high you've climbed to as you progress through your workout. So you can say, I climbed to the top of the Empire State Building, or I ran to the top of the Statue of Liberty. Okay. Now, very important is heart rate training. And what you do is you want to train in your zone. So what we do is you look up your age using this graph, and it sets a zone where your heart rate should be. And as you work out, this little red pointer will represent your actual heart rate using either the hand grip or a pulse belt, which transmits your heart rate into the treadmill. And anytime your heart rate is in between these two lines, the zone timer will start counting, so you can see how much time you've spent exercising inside your target heart rate zone. We have a Rolodex, which displays all of your statistics. So just like a Rolodex, you can flip to just the distance or calories, or you can put all and see all your statistics at one time. Okay. Another thing about the treadmill that's very unique is the immense programmability. And what we offer is a number of built-in programs: fat burn, advanced, endurance, intermediate, and interval, but we have a number of specialty programs as well. For instance, we have the actual firefighter test that you have to take to qualify as a firefighter in most major cities. We have the United States Marine Corps protocol, the Navy protocol, and the Army protocol, along with Air Force. If you can pass these fitness tests, you know that you're capable of passing the basic training requirements for these branches of our military service. We offer some heart rate testing called the bulky fitness test, and a very interesting program called the race mode, where I'm going to set a pacer who's going to run a 5K mile in 30 minutes. And you can see right there is my pacer. And in fact, she's my pacer. She's ahead by 27 feet. And if I want to run a 5K mile in 30 minutes, I'm going to have to increase my speed to catch up to my pacer, or I'm not going to meet my time.